Did you know you can transform any pasta dish into high protein by carbonarizing it? You have probably heard 1 million times by now that the traditional carbonara has eggs and Parmigiano Reggiano, but you can add this mixture to anything you want. So you can grab some basil to make a pesto nara, imagined by Brogust Flex Coffee. You can first remove the stems of the basil because it will add a lot of water into the pesto. Then take some pine nuts. You can add half of them in the blender with the basil, along with some garlic, along with 1 egg yolk of olive oil. You can add the other half of your pine nuts, which have been toasted, because I want the nutritional benefits of raw, but also the taste of cooked. Don't forget to add some freshly hand-grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and then mix it in the blender. You can add some ice in it to make sure it stays cold and your pesto remains very green. Add 1 egg white of olive oil. Make sure you unclog the bottom of the blender and mix it until you have a beautiful green pesto. Look at it. You can then move it to a bowl and appreciate the fucking nice color. Then prepare your carbonara sauce, but we don't waste protein in this house, so I keep all the egg whites. Drop your pasta into the water, a small amount of water that will have to evaporate completely. Then add some freshly hand-grated Parmigiano Reggiano into your eggs. Break up the yolks and mix it very homogeneously. Once 90% of the water has evaporated, you will have very big bubbles. Your pasta will become shiny because all the starch is not fucking diluted in water that you throw into the sink. Move off the heat, mix your pasta around to help it cool it down a little bit, and then add your eggs back in with the stove turned off. Mix permanently until you get the perfect texture, until it is beautifully creamy. If it's not hot enough to cook, you can turn the stove back on. Then introduce your pesto into the pasta and mix it very homogeneously. You can make it do the sexy wave to be very homogeneous. Grab a metallic plate because you're special. Make a nice roll of pasta against the pot and plate it very homogeneously. You can add a little bit of basil, and look at this. You will finally be able to grow some muscles for once in your life and enjoy some fucking pesto spaghetti. Your life has all of a sudden become so much more exciting. It truly is amazing what can be done with a big brain. Send this to a friend that watches gay porn and pretends to be straight.